Greets Virat Kohli on his return to the Delhi lineup after 12 years at the Arun Jaitley Stadium in New Delhi. Familiar walk and then very purposeful walk as well. Striding with great purpose and confidence as always. Confidence is something synonymous with Virat Kohli. Up against the left arm seamer Rahul Sharma, who has provided a breakthrough for Railways. All the cameras are in action in the stands. The crowd. No ball from the left arm seamer. Surprises Virat Kohli with a good Yorker. Rahul Sharma. That one. Bat on ball, but straight to the fielder. 79 for 2 after
coming into him again. No ball again. There's a little extra effort on the part of the bowler. I'm fine with that. The effort that you need to get a player like Virat Kohli out, but a huge no ball. This effort is one thing, and effort wasted is another, and that was a wasted effort. Well, he seems to be under the cosh at the moment.
और देखिए वो जो नो बॉल्स हो रही है ना, वो शायद इस वजह से भी क्योंकि आप तेज गति से गेंदबाजी करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, वो जो एफर्ट मारने की।
Off the mark is Virat Kohli. That will calm his nerves and calm 10,000 other.
ये जो विराट कोहली के टॉप स्कोर्स जो दिल्ली के लोगों ने बनाए हैं, उसमें जो सबसे ऊपर 197 पाकिस्तान की जो चैंपियन साइड थी डोमेस्टिक की, वो यहाँ पे खेलने आई थी।
And no one can doubt that commitment, the contribution that he's made, the joy that he's brought on a billion faces in this country, mad about cricket. Let's take a look at that off the middle of the bat. Year after year, match after match for the country. So everyone watching this telecast, probably one of the greatest to don those India colours. A successful batsman, a tag on his helmet. Well, oohs and ahs galore, but Virat Kohli survives, much to the delight of this huge crowd at the Arun Jaitley Stadium in the national events that have been made in the recent past. Can just be put to rest by the kind of achievements that we are showing of him. Well, it's really well bowled again, sparring outside that off stump. Luckily, he didn't get it at the Arun Jaitley Stadium. And what a gesture this. Just two others apart from Virat Kohli have played 100 test matches for India from Delhi. Virendra Sehwag.
ये स्ट्रोक में विश्वास दिखा है। इस स्ट्रोक में वो बात दिखी है जिसके लिए कोहली जाने जाते हैं। बॉल की पिच पे गए और करारा स्ट्रोक खेलते हुए तीर की माफिक एकदम सीधा।
Well, just stamping his authority there is Virat Kohli. Just a little shimmy down the track and just bludgeoned that really. He gave it everything, and lucky for the bowler that he didn't get his foot on the ball. That would have been some damage to his shin. Very lucky there, the bowler, on that occasion. Virat Kohli now 6 of 14. Oh, he's gone! Big moment this. Virat Kohli is off stump. Knocked back. Sweet revenge this for Sangwan. And Delhi lose their third wicket. The crowd at the Arun Jaitley Stadium has absolutely gone silent.
जी हाँ, ये लम्हा सांगवान को हमेशा याद रहेगा। इससे पिछली गेंद पे चौका जरूर खाया था, पर इस गेंद को बैट और पैड के बीच में से उस गैप को निकालते हुए ऑफ स्टंप को इस तरीके से उड़ाते हुए विराट कोहली को पेविलियन भिजवाते हुए। जी हाँ, विराट कोहली पेविलियन लौटते हुए केवल 6 रन बना के दिल्ली मुश्किलों में।